Hi folks, today we're going to go over how to take care and maintain our blow dryer. So this is my Elchum, and this is what I've been using for 20 years. I absolutely love it. However, this is what can happen if we are not taking care and cleaning. So this is called neglect. So what you need to do is every few weeks, as soon as you start seeing a little bit of lint, you should be washing this out. This is very, very important because, so there is one time where I didn't do this for a while, and then it really restricts the airflow to your blow dryer, and then it can overheat and not even blow dry the hair properly. So we need to keep this nice and clean. I usually clean these out is honestly by running it underwater, upside down to let the lint out. You can see most of it is coming off. However, if I really need to, I'll also use an old color brush or like any kind of brush really, and really make sure that you get everything out of there. Make sure to dry it before putting it back on. And there we go, we have a clean filter. So let's check out the rest of our blow dryer. So here we can see just a little bit of dust. I don't necessarily want to bring water into there. So just taking a towel and cleaning around it. One thing I don't like about my Elchum blow dryers is that the pieces on the filter to lock it in kind of break off. I've been using these, as I said, for 20 years, and it seems to be the one thing that keeps occurring. Probably because these last so long. So I just use a little bit of electrical tape to keep that on. This is super important. Another thing too, when you are blow drying, make sure you always use your concentrator, because you want to make sure that you at least have, I think I used to hear like about 6 to 8 inches between the motor and your hair. So you want to always use this, plus it reduces frizz. So once you take care of that, make sure it's nice and clean. I want to show you what happens if you don't use the filter. So this is the filter. If you don't use the filter, so this is another one of my Elchums. But if you're not using the filter, or you let it fall off, because again, this one has like no more pieces, all of the lint can get in here. So this has now become a fire hazard. Okay, so those little particles and hairspray, things like that can get inside and clog up your motor. And then you'll start kind of smelling like a burnt kind of smell from there. So it's extremely important that this is always kept clean. At this point, just brushing it is not working enough. You're never going to put water into your blow dryer, because water and electricity don't mix. So I wet my brush a little bit. However, I'm not going to use this blow dryer for quite a while until I know 100% that it's dry. And there we go. And then I need to make sure that my filter is clean. Now I've got my clean filter. Don't know why I'm twirling that around, because it doesn't have those pieces in it anymore. Now I'm adding it. I hope you found this helpful. Make sure to subscribe, like, and share.